What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, back with another amazing product for those of you with a Nissan Gtr R35. We here at Nitrous Express have combined performance with quality in this easy-to-install nitrous system engineered specifically for the Nissan Gtr. This system includes mirrored billet aluminum nitrous plates that are designed for the perfect fit between your throttle bodies and intake manifold. They're anodized in black so that corrosion is never an issue, and they'll add some awesome looking aesthetics to your engine bay. The system includes an Autolearn TPS module, which allows for the nitrous to activate only at wide open throttle so that your engine stays safe and the nitrous gives you the maximum performance available. Also included is a direct plug-in fuel line adapter, which allows for plug-and-play style installation of the fuel lines without any cutting or splicing, simplifying the installation. This Nitrous Express system also includes billet aluminum and carbon fiber Lightning Series solenoids, stainless braided nitrous and fuel lines, a master arming switch, a 40 amp relay and relay harness, all the necessary hardware to complete the installation of this system, and we also include jetting for 50 to 150 horsepower. This system is available with various sizes of bottles or even no bottle at all. If you purchase the system that comes with a bottle, we include the industry exclusive highest flow available billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve, as well as our stainless steel bottle brackets. If you have a GTR and want to put even bigger gaps between you and the competition, you need this system. Not to mention how good it'll look when you pop your hood and show off that carbon fiber and billet aluminum Nitrous Express power. For more information on this product, visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. And as always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.